If you're considering doing an NLP training, one of the first things to do is to make sure that it's a licensed practitioner of NLP training that you'll actually be doing, which means that the organization has been trained to train NLP and has got direct connections with the originators of NLP. In our case, the Society of NLP, which is Dr. Richard Bandler, so which means that by the end of your training, your week-long training, you'll have a certificate that's signed by Dr. Richard Bandler, by John Laval, the President of the Society of NLP, and by myself here, basically Brian Colbert. Now, the next thing you want to do is that if you're considering this, have a look at, has the trainer or the training organization, have they actually produced anything in their own lives? Because NLP is about the science of success, and you can't do an NLP training program without actually being changed for yourself. So what you want to do is check out, are these guys being successful themselves or not? For example, in this context, you may check, have they got books? Basically, have they produced applications? What have they produced? What have they done in their own lives to show that they're using NLP and not just training NLP? So what you'll find that if you go in the program, you're going to find that basically that you'll learn a whole load about yourself, how your mind works, how your brain works, how people work, how you can engage and connect with people, how you can build relationships, how you can build your own confidence, how you can get rid of negative feelings, how you can persuade and influence and lead and inspire, how you can understand how the most successful people think and be able to replicate levels of that thinking as well in your own life as well. So you learn the cool stuff like hypnosis, you learn stuff like behavioral profiling, which we call meta programs, you learn how to break through limiting beliefs, basically, which is the process called the meta model. You learn how to install feelings in yourself and others, which is anchoring. So you're going to learn a whole host of things over a very intensive week-long program. And by the end of it, you'll be able to use these skills first and foremost for yourself and then others as well. So the type of people that it attracts is and are people that actually just want to develop themselves or people that want to work with others. So NLP is really good as an adjunct or complementary to another skill set as well. So say you could be a coach already, NLP will complement that. You could be a nutritionist, NLP will complement that. You could be in sales, trying to work and build your career, NLP will complement that. So it integrates with a lot of other systems. So one of the things to do is, because it's the process of how success works, it's a good idea to get the process first. And so when you learn NLP, you can use it and you can apply it in whatever area you really want in your life to be able to excel, to be able to improve. But first and foremost, just make sure that the two critical things is that, is it a licensed NLP practitioner, and is it directly connected to the source?